Hello, my name is Carla Viviana Patiño Giraldo. I am in the English group 322. In this work, I show my experience stage to record a video. That is the most amazing experience that I have lived with my friends because I visited Laguitos de Venecia, which is in Santa Rosa de Cabal. Laguitos de Venecia has been for a long time touristic place. There we have practiced fishing. We have played some sports.
De la Rueda Loca en Laguitos de Venecia, Santa Rosa.
And we have practiced swimming into the warm water swimming pools. Thank you. Bye bye.